I connected a free VPN on my POCO phone without an app. Let's see how to connect a free VPN from the settings of a POCO phone. Open Settings. Tap on More Connectivity Options. Tap on VPN. Tap on Add VPN. Now enter a name for your VPN. Select the IKV2 shop to type from here. Now you need to enter a VPN server address here. You can get the server address from the internet browser, so go to the browser. Type VPN Jantit and search. Tap on Menu. Tap on Free VPN. Select the free IKV2 MSCHPV to type from here. Scroll down. Now select the country where you want to use the VPN. Now tap on Create Username. Now you need to create a username and password. The username and password are now created. This is your username and password. This is the VPN server address created for you. Copy it. Now paste the VPN server address here. You will get the IPsec identifier from the browser. Copy and paste the IPsec identifier from here. Now enter the username and password you created here. After doing all this, tap OK. VPN is created on your phone. Now download the IPsec CA certificate on your phone. After downloading, go to Settings. Search for CA certificates. Tap on CA certificate. Tap on CA certificate. Tap on Install anyway. Enter your lock screen password or fingerprint. Now install the IPsec certificate you downloaded. After installing, go to VPN. Tap on your VPN. Tap on the IPsec CA certificate option. Now select the certificate you downloaded and installed on your phone from here. Tap OK. Now turn on VPN on your phone. Now the POCO phone is connected to the VPN. This is how you can connect a POCO phone to a VPN without apps.